At Plug and Play, we believe in open innovation, and we do this for many, many years with hundreds of corporate partners and thousands of startups. Unfortunately, not every company is really harnessing the full power of open innovation, and we want to change this. We created the Innovation Academy. My name is Dr. Philipp Gneiting. I'm partner at Plug and Play for Open Innovation Services. Before I started my career at Plug and Play, I spent 15 years working for Mercedes-Benz in Germany as head of Open Innovation. What I learned is you need to have a proper open innovation strategy. You need streamlined, fast-track processes to explore, experiment and adopt technologies coming from external sources. And you need to have the right culture, the right mindset. What we learn in the Innovation Academy is exactly that. How to create an open innovation strategy, how to build fitting processes, a working government structure that allows top-down and bottom-up ideation, and how to foster an open innovation culture and a failure culture that is needed to disrupt your own industry.